Supreme Court Justice Leotele Matatua Tangaloa has denied businesswoman Doris Teos her application to vary her pay or condition to permit her to travel to Australia. In her application to vary her pay or condition, she offered two sureties and relied on the support from the Samoa business community, business properties, and church. She also provided two affidavits and a letter from her bishop to support her application. Police oppose application. The police strongly opposed the application, citing the applicant as a flight risk, especially that she held both New Zealand and Australian citizenship, and any process of extradition would be lengthy and costly. Prosecution further submitted that the purpose for travel is not compelling, as it is neither for medical nor humanitarian reasons, but simply to visit her children for leisure, whom she has been unable to visit since being charged in September 2025. Prosecution also emphasized their concern that the application was filed in February 2026, 4 months to the date of her trial in June, which questions the timing and casts doubts of the intention to return to Samoa. Prosecution also highlighted the seriousness of the offense, which carries a penalty of life imprisonment. Court's decision. According to Justice Tuatangaloa, if she is permitted to travel, she would be beyond immediate reach of Samoa's court, which would be unable to impose enforceable restrictions on her conduct unless recourse were had by extradition. The judge also noted that extradition proceedings are lengthy and cumbersome, particularly where they involve citizens of those countries. Other aspects considered by the court include the properties relied upon are mortgaged and subject to caveat. Further, no documentary evidence is provided to show that her business is viable or thriving in a way that would meaningfully support an inference that the defendant would return to Samoa to meet her obligations. The court also noted that the identity and financial capacity of the two sureties are not identified. Justice Tuatangaloa said he is not satisfied that the provision of sureties, whether monetary or otherwise, would adequately mitigate the risk that are apparent and inherent in permitting the defendant at this stage to leave the jurisdiction, even for a short period. The application to vary bail to permit overseas travel is dismissed. The defendant is remanded on the same bail condition and is to reappear for trial in the week commencing 8th of June 2026. The bail conditions include reporting to the Apia police station every Wednesday and Friday before 4 p.m. and to surrender all her travel documents. If you are interested to read more of our stories, visit our news website on talamore.com. This is Jenny Benehuro of Talamore Media.